Hello dear kids, we are going to start NSO Science Olympiad workbook from grade 2 chapter 1. We are going to start and the chapter name is plants. So let's start. In this chapter we are going to discuss types of plants, parts of plants and their functions, food and other things we get from plants. So let's check. There are different type of plant. Some are big and some are small. As you can see in your surroundings, there are very big trees. There are small plants also. So we have different shapes and size plants. First one is herbs. These are very small plants. They have soft stems. Example are mint, spinach and rice. What are herbs? They are very small plants like mint. This is spinach. This is coriander. This is also a herb. And this is mint. This is herb plant. They are very small and they have very soft stem. As you can see, they have this is the root of this plant and this is stem. And they have very soft stem like this green stem. Next one is shrubs. These are much smaller than trees. These have many branches growing close to the ground. So this is rose plant. This is smaller than a tree plant. Smaller than a tree, but it have many branches like this. As you can see, these have many branches. So examples are like rose. This is rose, cotton. Here is a cotton plant. This is cotton plant. Here is the fruit of cotton, flower of cotton, and this is the branch and this is the many branches from the plant. So is like this. This is also a red rose plant. You can see here this is smaller than tree and it have many branches, and on branches there are many leaves and flowers here. So this is called shrub plant. Next one is trees. This is trees. These are big and tall plants. What are trees? Trees are big and tall plant like this. This is banyan tree, as you can see here. They have hard stem. This is hard and strong stem. This is the stem. They may or may not have branches. They may have branches like this is banyan tree, and you can see here there are many branches, and they may not have. Some trees like coconut tree, they don't have many branches. Okay. So the example of these trees are banyan tree. This is the banyan tree, and coconut tree. This is the coconut tree. As you can see here, this is the long stem here, but it don't have branches. So this is the banyan tree. Next one is creepers. These are creepers. What are creepers? These plants have weak stem. They have weak stem, that's why they cannot stand like this tree. So they grow on the ground. They grow along the ground because they don't have strong stem to hold fruit or flowers or branches. So that they grow along the ground like pumpkin or watermelon. This is pumpkin. It is growing along the ground because it has very heavy fruit. Like this is also watermelon. As you can see, it's not much strong, so they grow along the ground. These are known as creeper, which grow along the ground. Next one is climber plant. These plant also have weak stem like money plant. This is the picture of money plant. They also have weak stem, so that they need support to stand straight. So they have small lenticle like structures. These structures get support from another plant or another thing, and then this plant grow straight and stand straight. Example, pea, beans and money plant are the climbers because they don't have strong stem, so they need support from another plant. This is stem and this is the pea plant. As you can see here, this is pea plant and they also have lenticles. These lenticle take support from another plant so that they can stand straight. So this is the function of plant. But plant do absorb water and minerals from the roots. They produce fruit. They make food for the plant. They bear seeds. They carry water, mineral and food to other part of the plant. So this is the function of different parts of the plant. They absorb water and mineral, produce fruit, make food, and this process, making their own food of the plant process, is known as photosynthesis. This is also an important question. This is called photosynthesis, process in which they make their own food. Carries water, mineral and food to the all part of plant. These are the main function of a plant parts. Different part of a plant that we eat. So this is flower. Do you know now? But we have plant part. Plant parts are flowers, seeds, stem, root, leaves, fruits. These are the parts of plants. And do you know that each part we eat from different plants? Like if we talk about flowers, this is broccoli. We eat broccoli as a flower of the plant. Seed, we eat coffee seeds. This is the seed part of the plant. This is sugar cane. Sugar cane is a stem part of the plant. So we drink juice of sugar cane. We make sugar from sugar cane, and this is stem part. Carrot, radish, turnip, these are the roots of the plants, but we eat. Okay, and leaves, if we're talking about leaves, this is spinach. We eat mint, coriander. As I have shown in the previous slides, we eat coriander, we eat mint, we eat spinach. These are the leaf part of the plant. We also call it green leafy vegetables. So next we are talking about fruit of the plant. Do you know? You know that many fruits we eat like apple, orange, mango, banana. These all are the fruit of the plant, but we get from the plant and we eat them. So these are the parts what we eat. Next is things we get from plant. What we get from plant? I am talking about food. Food, we get fruits, we get vegetable, nuts, cereals, pulses, coffee, tea, sugar, cocoa, spices. These are the examples of food we eat. From the plants. Next is fibers. Fibers are the fiber industries belong to clothes like cotton, jute, linen. These are the clothes which are made by plant product. Wood. If we are talking about wood, we have wooden furniture in our houses. This furniture is made up of teak, pine, bamboo, etc. This is the wood part of the plant. We get and we use it. This is called furniture. And many more things. Oil. I am talking about oil, edible oil. Groundnut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil we use in our kitchen. So we get oil from the plant. Paper, gum and rubber. From bamboo, from kikar tree, we get paper, we get gum and rubber from the plant. Next is medicine. Medicine is the clove, turmeric, neem, tulsi. These are the medicinal name we get from the plant and we use it as our medicine. So let's start with our questions. Question 1 is, plant give us food, grains. What are the example of such grains? So food grains, we are talking about grains. Option A is wheat and rice. Option B is maize and barley. Option C is gram and pulses. If you can see that all these are the grains. Wheat, rice, maize, barley, gram, pulses. These all are the grains what we get from the plant. It means all of this is the right answer. These are the food grains which we get from the plant. Question 2 is, we get gum from the dash tree. Option A acacia, option B oak, option C bamboo and option D jasmine. So acacia is the tree from which we get gum. This is also known as kikar tree in local language. So option A is the right answer for the getting gum. Next question is, the fruit of plant X are used for making oil and coir. Identify plant X. Here we have option A, coconut. Coconut is the tree from where we get coconut fruit, and from coconut fruit we get coconut oil. Yes, this is right. And from outer coat we get coconut coir also. So this will be plant X. Jute. Jute is the only coir plant. We cannot get oil from it. Cotton plant, we cannot get oil from it. We can only get fiber from it. And sunflower. Sunflower is the plant from which we get only oil but cannot get core. It means option A is the right answer for this question. Next question is, select the pair that is similar to the given in the box based on their type. Here we have rose plant and we have this is a pumpkin plant. It means rose plant is a shrub plant and this is creeper. CREEPER. This is creeper plant. So we have to find out this type of pair, shrub or creeper. So number one is A, basil rose. Basil rose. This is basil rose and this is basil. Rose is a shrub plant, right? But basil is herb, not tree. Sorry, not creeper. It means this is wrong pair. So next one we have bottle gourd and grapevine. Bottle gourd and grapevine. Grapevine is a climber plant and bottle gourd is a creeper plant. So climber creeper is not right pair. We need shrub and creeper pair. So this is also not correct answer. Next one is money plant and pea. This is money plant. Money plant is a climber plant and pea is also a climber plant. They both are climber plant. It means this is not correct pair. But we need shrub and creeper. Fourth one is hibiscus and watermelon. This is hibiscus actually. This is hibiscus and this is hibiscus is a like rose. They have big red flowers and this is a shrub plant. And watermelon. Watermelon is a creeper plant because watermelon grows along the ground. It means option D is the right answer. Next question is, we get oil from all the following plant except this is spinach. We cannot get oil from it. This is mustard plant and from mustard plant we get mustard oil. Next one is groundnut plant and we get groundnut oil from this plant. And next one is coconut tree and from this tree we get coconut oil. It means this is the only plant from which we cannot get oil. This is spinach. Option A is the right answer. Next question is, select the odd one out based on the edible part. So first one is broccoli. Broccoli is a flower of the plant. And the second one is that is a lettuce. Second one is that is a lettuce. Lettuce is this is green vegetable. It means this is leaf part of the plant. Third one is the cabbage and cabbage is also leaf of the plant. Fourth one is mint. Mint is also leaf plant. So it means they all three are leaf but option A is a flower. It means option A is the odd one out. Next one is, which label part in the given picture of a plant grows from bud? Here are X, Y, Z and W. Let's check what is the name of these plants. First, Y is root. Z is stem. And W is leaf. X is flower. This is flower. So which label part in the given picture of a plant grows from bud? Dekho, root grows from seeds. Stem also grows from seed because seed grows into two parts, below ground root and above ground stem. So these both are grows from two seeds. These are leaf. Leaf grows from the stem. There is flower. Flower grows from the buds of the plants. So it means option X is the right answer. It means option B is the right answer because X is the part of the plant which grow from the bud. Question 8 is which of the following figure correctly shows the movement of water in the plant? We have to check movement of water in the plants. So listen carefully, kids. Water absorbed by the root and it transferred to the plant. This is the movement of water in a plant. I have told you that our root absorb water from the soil and they transport it to the stem, and stem transport the water to the leaves and other part of the plant. So this is the movement. Let's check which picture shows the same movement. Here in option A, water is absorbing by, here you can see the arrows. It means water is absorbed by root from the soil and transfer it to the stem. And stem is transferring the water to the leaves, and by leaves, by the process of evaporation, they are going out. Water is transpirating. So this may be the correct picture. Next picture is showing water is absorbed by roots from the soil and transport to the stem. But here you can see the arrow here. This arrow shows that water is also absorbed by leaf. This is wrong. No. Water is only absorbed by root from the soil. Third one is, here is also shown that water is also absorbing by leaves from the air. This is totally wrong. Water is only absorbed by the roots of the plant. This is also wrong picture. Next picture is showing water is absorbed by from soil, and water is also, here you can see the arrow, water is also secreted by roots. No, this is also wrong. Water only absorbed by root and transported to the stem only, not outside of the soil. So this is also wrong picture. That means option A is the only correct answer. That water absorbed from the soil by roots and transport to the other parts of the plants. Option is right answer. Option 9 is Saloni describe a plant that she has seen in a field. Identify the plant. It is a small bushy plant with hard stem and branches. We get soft fiber from it, which is used for stuffing pillows. Small and bushy plant. It means they are talking about a shrub. So plant would be like this. This is a small plant. They have stem, they have branches, and get soft fiber from cotton. So we also fill cotton in the stuffing the pillows. So it means this is a cotton plant. Option B is the right answer. Next question is select the odd one out. This is cashew. This is kidney beans. This is almond, and this is apricot. So what we are talking about? We are talking about odd one out. All these A, C and D are fruits of the plant. They are dry fruits of a plant part. But kidney beans are not the fruit part of the plant. In all these, there are the kidney beans only, which are the pulses. But all these are fruit. It means odd one out is pulses, kidney beans of the plant. Next one is how is young plant different from an adult plant? Option A, an adult plant has root but the young plant does not. No, this is wrong. Every plant have roots, whether it is young, whether it is old, and whether it is adult, or whether it is small, very small plant, but it does have roots only, because only roots can give them water. Option B, the adult plant has a stem but the young plant does not. This is also wrong. If adult plant has stem but the young one does not, then how it will grow into adult? Because only stem play a role for transporting water to the other parts of the plant. Third one is the adult plant has flowers but the young plant does not. Yes, this can be possible that adult plant can have flower but the young one does not. The adult plant does not need air but the young plant does. This is also wrong. Every living thing needs air, whether it is human or whether it is plant or whether it is animal. They need air for respiration. So that plant are also living thing. That's why they need air for their respiration process. So adult also need air and young one also need air. So the right answer is the adult plant has flower but the young plant does not. This is the right option, because a young one plant cannot produce flowers, but when they grow adult they also produce fruit and flower. So option C is the right answer. Next question is different plants live for different time periods. Arrange the following starting from the plant with the shortest lifespan. Banyan 1, rice 2 and rose 3. Here look at this is a big tree, 2 and rose 3. Here look at this is a big tree. This is a crop, rice is a crop and rose is a shrub. So kids, tree have long life. Crops have shortest life. Maybe it may be for 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 8 months. But they doesn't have more than 1 year life. Rose have many year life but they doesn't have life more than trees. It means shortest life is of crop, after that shrub and after that tree. So it means 2 is the shortest, then 3 and then 1. It means option B is the right answer. Next is what will happen to a plant if we remove all the flowers from it. From flowers we get fruit. Only flower change into fruit. If a plant doesn't have flower, it means it cannot produce fruit. So let's check our statement. It will not produce fruit. Right. It cannot produce fruit because only fruit produced by the flowers. It cannot stand upright on the ground. Wrong. Because only stand upright is the role of stem, not of the fruit. It will stop transporting food and water all other parts. This is also wrong because this is also the role of stem, not of fruit. It will stop absorbing nutrients and water from the soil. This is also wrong, but because this is the role of roots, not flowers. So it means flowers only produce fruit. This is the right answer. If we don't have flowers in a plant, so it cannot be produce fruits. Option is right answer. Next question is select the correct statement out of those following. Option A, coffee is obtained from the seed of the plant. Yes, we discussed previous that coffee is the seed part of the plant, right? Sugar is made from the stem juice of grass. Yes, bamboo tree is a grass of a plant. So from this stem we get juice and from this juice we get sugar. This is also right. Henna is obtained from the leaf of shrub plant. Yes, henna is a shrub plant, not a tree. So this is also right. It means all of these statements are right. Option D is right answer. Question 15 is read the following characters of a plant and identify it. Option 1, it is a small plant that grows close to the ground. Small plants. Small plants are herbs or shrubs. So it may be herb or it may be shrub. Let's check what it will be, herb or shrub it can be. So the stem is thin, hard and woody. Hard stem. Herbs doesn't have hard stem. It means it will be a shrub plant which is woody and hard. Fiber for making cloth is obtained from it. For making cloth we get fiber from it. So it means it may be a cotton, it may be jute. Let's check. Option A, hibiscus. No, we cannot get fiber from it. Bougainvillea, no. Jasmine is a no. We get only oil from it. So option C is the right answer. Cotton is the plant from which we get fiber for making clothes. Option C is right answer. Next question is, what are the similarities between the plant bearing the fruit as shown? As you can see, this is watermelon and this is pumpkin. They both are creeper plants because they have heavy fruits but they have very weak stem. They don't have woody stem and they grow along the ground only. So let's check the statement. They have weak stem. This is right statement. They have woody stem. No, this is wrong. If they have woody stem, then they can stand straight. They produce seed. Yes, every plant produces seed. That's why only they can grow new plants. They grow along the ground. This is also correct. They grow along the ground. It means option B is the only which is the not correct. It means A, C, D. Option B is the right answer. Question 17 is, Pooja placed a black plastic tape over the leaf. Here is the leaf where she placed black plastic tape. She expected that the plant would die after a few days, but it did not because. Let's check options. A. Food prepared by roots is carried to leaves through the stem. Wrong. Food prepared by leaves only, so that it is transported by the stem to the other parts of the plant. Option B. Water reaches the leaf from the root through the stem. This is absolutely right. Option C. Food can be carried from the other leaves to the leaf covered with the tape through the root. Wrong. This is absolutely wrong. Food carried from the stem to the other part of the plant. First thing. Second thing, only one leaf is covered with the black tape. So it means other leaves are there which can make food and they can transport food from the other parts of the plant. So this statement is also absolutely wrong. Option B, D, both B and C. This is wrong because only B is the correct answer, not C. So option B is the right answer. Next question is, study the given flowchart. Which of the following is correct regarding this? Plant. Yes. Big tall plant with strong stem. That is called tree. Small plant with woody stem. These are called shrub. Small and erect plant with soft stem. These are called herbs. Plant with weak stem that needs support to stand and grow straight. If it is yes, it means they are climber plants which need support to grow straight. If no, it means they are creeper plant because they don't need support of other plant. They grow along the ground. So let's check option. G is a creeper and F is a climber. G is a climber and F is a herb. So this is wrong because G is a climber and F is a herb. Option B, D represent coriander plant. D is a tree. It cannot be represent coriander because coriander plant is a herb plant. So this is also wrong. E is a shrub. Yes, E is a shrub plant. This is right answer. H represent coconut tree. H, where is H? H is a creeper plant. Coconut tree is a tree, not creeper. It stands straight. It means this is also wrong statement. Option C is the only right statement. E is a shrub plant. Next question is, the given figure shows a plant with its parts labeled P, Q, R, S. Which of the following is correct regarding this? P is the flower of the plant. Q is the leaf of the plant. R is the stem of the plant. And S is the root of the plant. So let's check what they are saying. Option A is, we eat R of almond. No, R is a stem. We does not eat R. Almond is a seed of the plant, fruit of the plant, sorry. We eat pea of broccoli. Pea is a flower, broccoli is a flower. Yes, this is correct answer. We eat pea of the broccoli. Option C, we eat S of cabbage. S is a root and cabbage is a leaf plant. So this is also wrong. Cabbage is not a root. We eat Q of cactus. Q is a leaf and we eat Q of cactus. No, cactus में जो green part है, that is called stem, that is not leaf. On cactus, leaf are there spikes, small spikes. They change into leaf, change into spikes, and green big part is a stem part of the plant. So cactus Q part is the stem part. So it means this is also wrong answer. So correct is option B only. We eat pea of broccoli. Last question is refer to the given word chalk table. Select the boxes that will give answer of the following questions. A. Name of the plant whose fruit is used to get oil. From which plant we get oil? We can get sunflower oil, we can get groundnut oil, we can get mustard oil, we can get coconut oil. Let's check which one we get from this grade. Coconut की बात करें तो ONUT. If we have coconut, this is the spelling of coconut, NUT. So this is cocoa and this is nut. 14 and 11 is coconut. When we add 14 plus 11. And B is name of the plant part, that is eaten in radish. Radish is the root part of the plant. So we need to check root. Where is root? ROOT. Where is OT? Here is OT. It means 2 and 13. 2 plus 13 is B. So where is 14, 11 to 13? Here we have 14, 11 to 13. Option B is the right answer. Kids, here we learn about chapter 1 from your NSO Olympiad workbook, your Science Olympiad workbook. Repeat this video, learn all the questions, their method of solving, their statements, the definition of the plants, shape of the plant, size of the plant. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. And don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.